Good afternoon, friends, and welcome. I'll be sharing live trades and results with you. We'll be evaluating how well these trades work out. We'll be benchmarking this against the S&P 500. I'm expecting to be outperforming it every month. Along the way, I'll also be sharing some lessons I've learned about investments, trading, and building wealth. And of course, the mandatory disclaimer. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It should not be interpreted as advice. And with that, let's get into it. Let's take a look at what happened on our third trade of the year. As you may have remembered, we had a nice pullback where we did an entry, and that seemed to be a great spot to start off. And the next day we had a nice gain, followed by the day after another nice gain, and we were up something like 4.5%. The following day, another green candle, a nice gap up, and we peaked here at about a 10% gain. The next 2 days, unfortunately, had a little bit of a pullback. You can see those kind of one pullback after another. Not a lot of price movement during the day, but definitely a falling price. The roller coaster continued after we had a little bit of a pullback. At the end of the day, there was a big gap up on a green candle, followed by two more red days, two more price pullbacks, bringing us back to something like 3%. At our peak, we were close to 10.5% gain. Super great trade, but unfortunately the market didn't want to cooperate. It continued like a roller coaster up and down, back up again, and finally down to where we landed. I mentioned we'll be watching live trades. Adam took a look at this roller coaster ride and decided to take an exit today, February 9th. So we're going to go ahead and pull out and let's go to the results sheet to see how we did on this third trade of the year. This last trade got us another 2.65%. So we are still trailing the S&P 500. That additional gain gets us to about 5.8%. The S&P 500 is up 6.45%. We are trailing by just a little more than 0.5%. Hopefully on our next trade we'll continue to close the gap and hopefully start to exceed the S&P 500 performance. That's it for today. How do you think we're doing? Please comment below and let me know how this compares to other investments you've seen. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It should not be taken or interpreted as advice. Until next time.